Hi everybody, it's Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and are you ready for an Ipsy saga? I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you straight. I just have to tell you that I did try to cancel and they offered to let me go back to the smaller bag, so I said okay. I'm out of my mind. But anyway, this was, let's see, this is September, August, and this was July, and I had a regular size glam bag at that time. So let me move August and September, and I was not crazy about this bag. Passport to Glow, it's called. But anyway, I was not that crazy about this bag. I know one of the things I chose was something I chose, but I don't even remember what it was. I did add also something to it. The bag's pretty. I'll use it in quilting or make something out of it, so I don't mind getting the bag. What the hell did I even get here? Okay, actually everything's on the card except for the one that I purchased. Okay, so the rest of this stuff was in this bag. Wet dry eye color, yeah, I did add that because I saw it and it caught my eye and I decided I wanted to try that. Okay, so this I already told you is awesome. Let's get this colorful bag out of the way. So I did add that. This is very full, by the way. My choice was, that's lip stuff. This was my choice item, which is BzzAgent Hairstyle Treat Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. That's a mouthful, but I love BzzAgent products. I've tried BzzAgent in the past and really enjoyed it, so yeah, I was very happy to get that as a choice. Of course, it's small. Okay, now Real Her Lip Care Oil, which I think is, yep, it's in here. So now I know this is going to be small. Oh, and of course it's taped on both ends. I'll just break the box because I'm going to start using it right away, so it's not going to matter. Yeah, and that's really nice. I could use that at night before I go to bed and get all my creams and oils and crap on and do my lips. Nice. Incredibly small. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, it is incredibly small, so it's almost too small to use, but anyway, so far so good. My purchases are over here, and then there is Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlighter in Nude. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I can roll it back down. That's like a light flesh tone, so that's nice. Then there is this glycolic body scrub. A lot of people enjoy this quite a bit. So it's a full ounce, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's a full ounce, 1.06 ounces. So that's a good size. More of a more deluxe than a sample size. And then there is 8 Saints Up the Ante. Need an anti-aging boost? Well, this is pretty full. Need an anti-aging boost? This night cream has you covered. Vitamin B, peptides, niacinamide. It's very cloudy outside, but anyway, this is called 8 Saints. Anti-aging night cream. It's pretty full. I think a couple of nights worth. It says it's formulated with vitamin B3, peptides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid to help increase collagen production, lock in moisture. You'll wake up and skin will look and feel plump and vibrant. Yeah, sure. Anyway, this says 20% discount. Oh, this is actually a coupon on the box. So if you wanted to buy it, you could get a 20% discount. This is pretty full. So anyway, I'm going to go over the stuff I bought. Let me put these boxes aside because they're not really necessary at this moment. I did add this. This was the sample size. I think it was $3. So I did add this because I really love it. I really love it. I would love to be able to get a discounted price on a full size. And I added this. I had my eye on this palette for a little while. And when I was able to add it, I was very happy. I don't know why I was so happy, but anyway, it's got this blushy color, bronzy eyeshadows. I think this could be used as eyeshadow also. Contour. It's just got a little bit of everything, and it's really nice. I do have quite a few palettes, but my palette collection is aging rapidly. I do have to do a declutter on that at some point. So aside from these purchases that I made, this was all that really came in the bag. Now, I just thought, why am I bothering? You know, why am I bothering? So anyway, I ended up, yeah, Mega Drop Shop and stuff. I just don't find that this stuff is really all that enthralling. But I know this is enthralling, but I'll try that. But I'm not sure how I feel about the sizes and everything. You know, I guess I was really disappointed when I opened this, and I thought, oh crap, I'm gonna try the full size and we'll see how that goes. Well, it went well. I'll just put all this back, but I have too much stuff. Then I decided, at least briefly, to switch over to BoxyCharm, Ipsy's BoxyCharm. And mainly, I was excited about this. So let me take everything out so I can show it all to you. I'll tell you what excited me about this box. And it was this Amica Undone. I have had this before. Mainly the Amicas that I've had in the past were from Birchbox. You used to get a lot of Amica through there, smaller size obviously. But I learned to love this brand, and they actually carry this at my salon now, which is really great. So anyway, I really wanted this, and it's a spray texturizer, but I also read that somebody uses it also as a shampoo. So yeah, that's really cool. I also got the Ever Eden Nourishing Facial Cleansing Oil, just because I love cleansing oils, and this is really nice. I've been going after primers because I do have some, but they're very old. Oh wow. This is called What's Up Beauty. Yeah, that's a good size. Okay, so anyway, the two things that were not my choices were a face cream, Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. Definitely worth trying, but I was not that excited about it because I do have a lot of face cream. In fact, I have too much stuff to be in BoxyCharm at all. And then there is this palette by Iconic London. Let's get this piece of tissue. And I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but this has so many absolutely gorgeous colors in it. This one has a duochrome shift to it. It's absolutely beautiful, and this I was very excited to get. Yeah, so. And I hear my phone again, so whoever it is really wanting to get in touch with me. So anyway, this was my August box. So anyway, this is September, and it's called the Soft Era. This was one of my picks, and it's Dermalect Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. I also picked this Ren Everyday Moisturizer. I do have a lot of moisturizer. I didn't really need this, but this is a really nice brand, and it's a marine moisture. I think this is, no, this is the other pick I made, I believe. And this is a primer. You had me at primer. And this, I think, was something that just came. And this is eyeshadow primer. Oh, I don't have any. So this is actually really good to get. So anyway, I got these things. This one will get used almost immediately because it's going to go right out into my medicine cabinet where I have my other oils and serums right now. This moisturizer, I did just use up a moisturizer. I'm currently using something else, but I could start using this before and after. Like, I was thinking I might stagger the moisturizer that I use. The primer, I know it's not very big, but it's, you know, standard size for them. And that's it. I don't know what's great about it, but it's by Pinky Beauty. It reminds me of a hard candy situation, but it's not. So we'll see how that is. I will have to try that out. And then the People's Beauty. This is a frontliner mask and scrub. I'm not really a fan of rinse-off masks, but this might be good enough to enjoy. It says on here, Tri-molecular hyaluronic acid, triple plant moisture complex, and kaolin. So it's got a little bit of clay in it so that those of us who occasionally break out from some of these masks won't. I have weird, what's quote-unquote normal skin. Occasionally I'll get a pimple, but very rarely. And this eyeshadow primer is just awesome. It just seems so small, but I think it's that brand is just small. So that was a nice box for sure. I'm going to put all the stuff that I got on the table. And I just have to tell you, I have too much stuff. I just have too much stuff. I'm telling you, I have too much stuff. And you know what? I'll put this stuff out too because it counts. Yeah. I just have too much stuff. It's too much. It's just too much. So this is 3 months, and this is the reason that I was thinking seriously about canceling. So I went on the Ipsy website. By the way, there's a referral code down below. If you would use it, I'd be very appreciative. I think we both get points if you do. But anyway, that all might be a moot point because I went to cancel my membership because I thought I don't need that stuff and it's pretty expensive. by the time shipping happens and tax, the full-size box is $39. This one is closer to $19, the small one. And I don't need more stuff. I have a ton of stuff. So anyway, I went on to cancel, and what did they do? They said, oh, don't go. How about if you switch to the smaller bag? So I said, okay, for 1 month I'll do the smaller bag. So I switched, but I can tell you that I'm probably going to cancel my membership because I also get a Lure Beauty box, and that is a yearly subscription, and there'll be an update on that as well. So you can look forward to an update on Lure Beauty box for 3 months. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy making it, but yeah, I'm running short of time, and I'm just looking at all this stuff and going, why? Why did I do this? So anyway, if you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've been getting any of these bags or boxes, let me know what you got, because it's always fun. That's one thing with Ipsy, the bags and everything are always different. So not everybody does not get exactly the same thing. So that's always interesting to watch. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.